recording now. Hello parents, my name is Ms. Lomas. I am the math teacher for 5th grade. This week we've been discussing 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. We have learned 2 forms of multiplying. Well, I wouldn't say we've learned it. What I will say is we are reviewing. These are 4th grade standards. In order for me to build and teach 5th grade standards, we need to master 4th grade standards. So we use 2 methods of learning how to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit. The first one, we like to use partial product. When we use partial product, it is not in the same, can you use that for me? It's not the same way that you learn how to multiply. It is very different. What you'll be multiplying, what I'll be multiplying now will be 36 times 14. Now, the way that you multiply it is very different. What we do first we do the ones. You start in the ones column and we go up. On the first line, we do 4 times 6. What is 4 times 6? 24. What? 24. And we make sure we put our products inside of the right proper place value. Next, we multiply the ones by the 10. So now we have 4 times 30. Remember, that is not a 3, parents, but it is a 30. There is 1 0 in this place value, so our answer should have 1 0. Then all I need to do is multiply 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3? 12. And I write my 12. The next part of my equation, I'm going to multiply the tens place. I'm doing 10 times 6. So that's when I write 10 times 6. My 0 is here, and then my 6 is here. It is 60. The final part is 10 times 30. A lot of people would say 10 times 3, but this 3 is in the tens place value. There are 2 zeros in this part of the equation, so I put my 2 zeros. Then I know that 3 times 1 is 3. Now I add all of my products, and I have a 4 here. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. My answer is 3, 4, 504. That is partial product. The next side will be area model. These are 2 strategies that your children can use to learn how to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit as well as 2-digit by 1-digit. You start with a square. Well, I don't like my square, so I'm going to erase my square and get a perfect square. And we're going to use the same numbers, and it's going to be 36 times 14. The first part of it is decomposing or breaking up the 36. So that would be 30 plus 6. You got to break them apart. Then we decompose or break apart the 14, which is 10 plus 4. I teach my students that where you see a plus sign, you make a line so that you can separate your quadrants. We're going from left to right. We're doing rows first. So the first row that I'm multiplying is going to be 10 times 30. And I write the equation on the inside because that's going to help me to do my math. 10 times 30, I know that there are 2 zeros. My 2 zeros come down, and I know 3 times 1 is 3. My product is 300. Next, I'll go to 10 times 6. There is 1 0 in the equation. Please be mature. There's 1 0 in the equation, and then we have 1 times 6, which is 6. The next part, now I'm going to the next row. Next row will be 4 times 30. times 30. There's 1 0 in that part of the equation. And now all I need to do is worry about the 4 times 3. It is easier, we've learned, to multiply smaller numbers than to multiply larger numbers. So we decompose the smaller numbers. So what's 4 times 3? 12. And now I have 120. The last part will be 4 times 6.
Good afternoon, Lake City Tigers. It is Fantastic Friday. The time is
4 times 6 is
24. Prepare for dismissal.
So now I will take all of my
Students,
products
you made it
and add them
5
up.
days of school. Our first 5 days of school was amazing. Please make sure that we continue with this wonderful attendance that we have going on. Students, you
6
did a
plus 2
great
is
job.
8,
We
8
had
plus 2 is 10.
just a little bit of students that came in
3,
late
4,
today.
5.
But let's continue
504.
getting to school on
The
time
same
because you
answer,
have to be
2
seated
different
and ready
strategies.
to
I hope
learn
this was able
by
to help. This is able to help.
7:45.
Thank you.